Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of full screen on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve full screen on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Facebook app and you can click. Then this list of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.